Most of the time, we used to work only the way we needed it to be completed. We did not go beyond what our mentor taught us. Our minds stuck on what was necessary to complete the task. We were never able to think beyond it. And as a result, we always stay mediocre. Thinking creatively is the only way to produce something unique and superior to your competitors. To achieve this, we need to think creatively and expand our horizons. For this, we have to take a break and review our work. If you can't take a break, do this when the week ends. When we do the same task repeatedly, we create a framework. We do things the same way. We have to seek a new way to complete the task. There is a possibility that new tools will be available to complete your task. There is a possibility that others have some best practices. There is a possibility that the tools you are already using have new provisions and functionality that you have not explored yet. In 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen R. Covey talks about sharpen your saw. In this habit, Stephen talks about learning new skills, thinking about how we can perform well, and which things need improvement to get better results. The problem is that, with the passage of time, we become rigid and do not want to change. We did not want to improve. Why is innovation necessary when we can accomplish tasks in the same way? But, brother, change is always resistible. If we don't adapt and embrace change, and if we don't make improvements, someone more skilled than us will replace us. We have to improve our workflow. Always think about improving. Always think about how we can do things in a better and smarter way.